Welcome to Extreme Controls and Automation Private Limited. I am happy to introduce you our new upgraded product QR Master. So this is now QR Master to QR Master Plus. This is our existing QR Master and this is QR Master Plus. And you can see it have facility to RFID card, QR and coin also. So this is the 3-in-1 product. 3-in-1 payment system that can access from UPI, QR code payment, RFID, and now as I can show you, this is the multi-price system. So there's a button. When you push it, it will change the lane. Now it is at lane 3. Now it is at lane 1. Lane 1 means that it will vend the coffee. So let's first of all scan the QR code. So I am going to pay. Now you can see the payment is received. After taking the payment, we need to press the button. Once again, this time we pay by smart card. So we first of all select the lane. Right now we select the second lane, that is tea. Tea price is 10 rupees per cup. And for second lane we pay and take the tea. So this is how it operates. On demand, we can give the coin acceptor that will connect to this payment system, and you can pay by coin also. So coin or token. So this is the 3-in-1 payment system. Currently this is the 2-lane machine, which on demand we can give up to 4-lane machine. Thank you.